In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can change emotes here in Arc Raiders and equip new ones. Before we do dive into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it, and if at any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. But first things first, what you're going to want to go ahead and do is get on the home menu of Arc Raiders. And from the home menu, you're going to want to go ahead and go up to the very top and select this little Raider option right here. From here, you're going to see a few different buttons appear. Go ahead and select customization down at the very bottom, and then go ahead and tab over to emotes up at the very top. This is going to be where you see all of your current emotes, and essentially just go ahead and find whatever emote you want. I currently have like all of these technically equipped, but let's just say, for example, I want to do this one right here, the don't shoot one. Essentially, go ahead and find it, select it, and then it's going to pop up with a page. It looks something like this with your emote wheel on it. You essentially just have to go ahead and find where you want to equip this on here, and then just, keep it on. Now, obviously, some of them are locked, so you won't be able to change like these four right here, but the rest of them are all adjustable, so you can change them accordingly. Whenever you do back out, it's going to save automatically, and that emote is going to be assigned to that slot and ready to be used in game. But that is how you can, change your emotes and equip new emotes here in Arc Raiders. If this guide does help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.